Vice Mayor Estelito Litoy Marami. And to my wife, my wife also is here. And some of our guests, our partners from the medical community, the City Health Office, distinguished guests, and to the families of Balay-Balay, welcome. As Chief Operating Officer of IsaCare Medical and Dialysis Center, my role is open about the details, about its logistics, systems, equipment, and workflows. But today, as I look around this facility, I don't just see machines and metrics. I see a promise fulfilled. For a long time, the operational reality of many renal patients in Bukidnon involved difficult logistics, waking up before dawn, traveling hours to Cagayan de Oro and Davao, and enduring the exhaustion of travel on top of their treatment. Our goal at IsaCare is to change the operational map. We wanted to bring world-class dialysis technology and medical care right here to the heart of Bukidnon. Building this structure is one thing, but making it a home for healing with a tender, loving care is another. I am proud to report that we are ready. We have installed state-of-the-art dialysis machines, ensuring the highest safety standards. We have designed our patient flows to prioritize comfort and dignity. Most importantly, we have assembled a team of doctors, nurses, and technicians who are not only highly skilled, but share our core values, treating every patient like family. To the people of Balay-Balay, this center is built to operate for you. When you walk through our doors, our operations team guarantees efficient, but our clinical team guarantees compassion. We are here to make our healthcare journey easier, hence the name IsaCare. I would like to thank our construction partners, our suppliers, and my incredible operations team who work late nights to make this possible. Thank you for trusting us. We are open, we are ready, and we are at your service. Daghang salamat ug mayong buntag.
Thank you very much, Bro Jun. Bro mo ani kay kauban mi sa akong kapong faculty sa CMU yang wife. So maestro po ko. Kisay pagsulod diri mga ingon nga merkado gid ni. Ba version no? Magawaw ay. It's a world-class and state-of-the-art na facility yun. Proud kayong Balay-Balay yan eh. So ito palakpakan, of course, City Government of Balay-Balay. Okay, next, we are honored for a special message from the Mayor of Balay-Balay, Atty. J. Warren Pamilaran, ay sa Mayor Inigo Magita. Nakasave yun ang city of Ibalay, hindi 270 plus million. Tuod kaya ito bidding dari transparent kayo. Ang kita nas Pilipinas is only the city of Balay-Balay. Hanggang na po, ayun, J. Warren Pamilaran yun. Special message.
Okay, maayon masunod ka na lang. May buntag ka na itong tanan. Sa ako ang kaupan sa pagservisyo sa Balay-Balay, Vice Mayor Estelito Marami, Vice, may buntag. The rest of the City Council, dahil special mention ang tag-iyag yun dami ang operator sa IsaCare, Ma'am Isabelita Abilio, itong pagpakan, kang June, itong wife, itong Dr. Sandoval. Tanang-tanang ako lang, magpasalamat yung kung mamisa na gikan sa idea lang na pwede ba maka-put up diri na karon na itabok na yun. All the challenges sa pag-put up na ni almost 10 months, almost 10 months. So, lugay kayo. Gani, naluwi gani ko sa inyo kay 4 months na operation. Gabayad na siya, Vice. Sa, I think, apil lang 7 months, ibayaran niya. Mura siya ka-operate. So, ang mga nurses dari, wala gini siya na kuripot. Ibayaran yun siya sa iyang suldo. Wala pa ka-operate. Okay, mga lang is, at least ang taga Balay-Balay and then the adjacent area maka-tilaw servisyo na kung yun, top of the line. Wala ni kiinot. I think Europe manggihapon ng kuan ni ba? Japan ang mga sa equipment ani. Kung makita nato, grabe gid ka plaster. How is na ang ato ang katilingban, especially sa Balay-Balay o even in Bukidnon, makatilaw og kanang quality na healthcare services. Kay kung buto naon ang universal healthcare na balaod na naman 2019 pa panahon ni President Duterte, wala lagi dyan na-implement. Gani, I'm happy kahapon nakabasa ko sa isa ka news update. This coming year 2026, I think ang atosong pagpakan ng administration karon nag-allocate sila 115 or 113 billion sa PhilHealth. Oh, next year. At least dili lisod ba? Ako lang, manginawag ako na ang PhilHealth matarong pagdala, niya matagaan yun o ang kaning tabang yun ang katunang hinangla doon. Tarungon lang nato, magbantay yun ta. Then there is Balay-Balay, katak mga kaya itong healthcare services good na ay national, na apoy province, na apoy city, na apoy mait. So, kuhan kay gubot kayo. Then, usually, para na ako, advantage sa ato, yun, inconvenient kay, usay, matugog barangay, usay, may hilak biya. Thank you kay Mayor, usay, malipay ko, usay, magkonsinsya po ko. Why? Kay simento na biya ko, inyong kwarta, ako lang gi-plaster. How I wish na sunod na mga generation, mapariyata sa Europe, Germany o sa British, na gi-plaster kinila ng NHS o munang counterpart na to ng PhilHealth. Then everybody involved na nag-approve na makredit yun. There is a Balay-Balay, it's not only for the mayor. Ang atong vice mayor, ang atong council members, once they approve the annual budget, ilagyapon to siya, nagyapon sila yung contribution nito. That is why, permintin ako kung dito sa Aglayan, ipasize yun ako na kinanglan kita taga Balay-Balay, kabaluta sa sistema, kay bias mong ikay sa mayor yun, mayora ang hero, not knowing na appeal ba ang vice mayor niya, na appeal ang councilor, to the point na di na po maglisod ang itong mga council member. Kay ang ilang pagtuog, kung sa'y matag sa mayor, may matag sa vice, may matag sa councilor, in which dili siya mao. Kay lahi man ang role nila, legislative man, policy making, although nagin sa mayor ang executive. So, I want to tell the people of Balay-Balay that every time I have my decision, on board yun ang council niya na. So that during election, unfair man po sila, na di mahatag ang credit sila. That during the time, pag 2020, pag election, ato itong ilista tanan, kinsa itong nag-approve sa annual budget. Para dili na, para makakilid yun. Ang vice mayor na nitabang sa mayor, ang councilor na nitabang sa agenda sa executive, kinang ila pong matagamtang po ang credit yun. In that way, dili na maglisod ang vice mayor, dili na maglisod mga councilor, nagkanuloy gid sila. O sa'yo pa, mabalik. Wa ni hatag, wala mo kinaikahatag, wala man ang budget sila. Naamon gid sa executive, and that's part of the system sa Pilipinas. Di magpunta parliament in which ang mga policy maker o legislative is part of the executive. Gibulag man gud. Kaysa ubang nasod ang ilang mga members sa legislative is part siya sa ga-execute diri lahi man. So munang wala gyud masabtan sa uban. So gahinay-nayon nato na pasabot para pod na ma-open ang mind sa tao ba? Para during election, ang choice nila is kanang patsada yun na sa decision. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Ang Vice, labing suporta sa ato ang pagpadagan sa syudad. Dahil ka Ma'am Isa Bilyo, grabe yun. Ako, wagi ko nagtuanin. Dahil usay, maulaw ko siya kay kapalo na ka, mga challenges na rin, wala to. Ibig ka ang generator, wala pagyapon. Sige lang. At least na maghinay-hinay. Dahil, although 100% naman, 156 man ang ihatag sa PhilHealth. So kung ngay mag-exist, labi nagtaga Balay-Balay, ay mo kabalaka kay naman tayo medical assistance. So ipa-cover na ako, tanan. To the point na dili na natin pag-kusina. Maghimo lang diri, ilista lang tanan niya, permahan na ako, basta taga Balay-Balay lang. Basig masuko, di taga Balay-Balay, di magutpili. Eh kung mupirma ko di taga Balay-Balay, makita na sa kuwa. Sa ilan na po, ugasa sila ng munisipyo, ilan na po na. So kung taga Balay-Balay, I hope na ma-zero billing ito dyan. Hindi ito po yung matagaan yun o igo yun na amount. Tama yun naman, dako man, dako ka amount. So next year, after ma-approve sa Sangguniang Panglusod ang 2026 na budget, automatic na dito. Dako-dako, almost 30 guys. 30 o 35 million ang gain sa siyudad sa Balay-Balay medical assistance lang. And ang top pa na sa mahatag sa congressman, sa province, o sa MAIP, sa Department of Health na kung amigo pa ninyo isa ka senator, laras gyapon. And there's balay-balay na naghatag na mga senator si Senator Zubiri, Senator Bongo o sila ra duwang naghatag. Swerte yung balay-balay kay natay senator na naghatag yun. And then swerte party list po naghatag natong partido din sa Bukidnon. So silang tulong naghatag pero duha ra kadlaw. Duha ra kadlaw sa diri sa opisina. Gihatag yun, was out na rin so. Was out kay nahatag si swerte, 500,000 na wala. Duha rin kadlaw. Purot na rin so. Kan senator, dako-dako, gyapon, million, wala. So, dependent yun sa annual budget sa Balay-Balay. So, sunod, ma-approve ang annual budget. I will make it priority na come January, ako na i-discuss sa inyo. So, ingana nung ko pamaagi, ang tao aware ba? Uy, sa nga, hindi. So, hinahinayan na itong usapang katiliban. Who knows? Awato ni sa laing LGU. Then, the entire country, makamataba. So that, dili na itong sing and dance. During election, sayaw rin mo. Sayaw, kanta. Sayang. These things are not discussed during the crucial moment sa election. Sing and dance naman. Di man policy making. Di man agenda-based governance. Wala, kaya yun. Sa itong mabuhat sa itong mga patient. So, this is the challenge now. So, Ma'am Isa, thank you kayo sa kanina opportunity. And who knows? What a kabalo. Ako'y proposal sa inyo niya. Same gyapon yan eh. Okay ka. Partnership na healthcare gyapon. Kay kaning renal dialysis na center is part kami sa kadaghan kayo sakit sa atong katilingban na angay po tagapagtagan. Ha? Thank you. And congratulations.
Salamat kay Mayor. Of course, ato pong ipaminawon ang special message gikan kang Vice kay di gini ma-approve ug wala gini sa kanya. So welcome Vice Mayor. Ikoy marami.
Daghang salamat sir to our beloved Mayor Attorney J. Warren Pabiliaran, to Ma'am Esa, and to Sir Abelio, and to everyone, may buntag. As we talk inside the clinic in our office, no, I realize nga I'm already 60 years old. Thank God I'm not one of those who are here na tungod lang ani. No? 20-30 years ago, I think Dr. Sandoval will agree with me na dialysis is a lifestyle disease, di ba? Kasi nato nakita sa unang mga sapian ang one of dialysis. No? It's because of the food, it's because of the lifestyle. Karon dili na. Ayun no, nagkabata ang pasyente, nagkapobre ang pasyente. Before, ang pasyente murag sapian, okay, it's really a very costly, no? May kani kay gidala nilang ma'am diri. Karon mura na siya here, no? Is downstairs. The meat, the alcohol, the salt, the blood, and all. So all the good things that will make our health, our concept healthy, nasa chabos. Vegetables, fruits, di ba? But then, inabot mo din sa balay-balay, ma'am. And I cannot believe, ha? Sus, kadugay na panahon mo, ba? This is just an empty space. Nagkakyan kaya mag-imbitar mo anidri, na nanay mo anidri, kaya mag-operate na itong sa batong katong sa Aurora, bitaw mo yun. But kamugid ang angay diri. I'm so thankful for that. No, ang Balay-Balay will now have a world-class na facility. No, kaya wala kayong kasulod o dialysis center, but as I've seen your area, it's a very nice area. No more kung sulod ang pasyente there is not in a dialysis center. He's in a place or her, she's in a place nga for recovery. So thank you kay ma'am. Thank you for the mayor. No? Actually, to be honest, no, the council or other government employees of the city is as only good if the mayor will be functioning. The mayor is the best leader right now for Malaybalay. He's young, he has the energy, and he has the vision for our city. And most especially, his heart are with the small people. So, kami sa council, we're only there to support all the plans of the mayor. And in fact, get ordinances, but the mayor is really the key for all of this. So, Mayor, thank you for your leadership for Malaybalay. And lastly, I hope this facility will bring more solutions to help problems in Malaybalay. Kabalo ko, naiuban yung mga pagkagaya di oro. May gani ka, kadaghan na tayo sa Malaybalay ba? Silingan ni Mayor, dialysis magyapon. And I think some hospitals are already having their dialysis center. So, again, your arrival is just very timely. You will help a lot of people in Malaybalay at mga pasyente. Now, rest assured, nga na mo'y mapaingnan, hopefully, 100% ma-cover sa PhilHealth. As mentioned by the mayor, the city is more than willing to help the patients nga cannot afford it. Mula isa ito, ma-mention po na ako, kami usahay, pato sa tao nga, ang budget na mayor, para may budget. Gawin, ipis na kayo kumpita ka. Imo'y pagto, and we explain it. Ang budget is just enough for operation, mga ginagmay nga tabang namo, But, by ganyan, Mayor, nakita mo na he is really focusing on social services, not only the healthcare, social services, kitabangan tanan sa Mayor from death, uban pa, So, hopefully, Mayor, this is a legacy. This is your legacy because without your connection with Mr. Abilio and Ma'am, we will not be coming here. And timing and natay facility, natay place, and natay available na place with our collaboration. Isa na ka na 10 months actually is actually a short time. Ngayon na kagwapo ng facility, That's a short time. Medyo taas ang tanaw ni Mayor. Gusto mo na itong action, Mayor ba? Si Mayor, action agad. Kung pwede ma-release karon, ma-release yung But then again, I hope ang effort ninyo tanan from the nurses, from Mesa, Mr. Avelio, and all the workers here, ang inyong efforts will be very, very tagaan na mobili, especially us in the government service kay it will make our job easier. It will make our heart lighter. Why? Katong amo mo doon dito sa amo nga wala lagi sila yung mabuhat sa ilang kinabuhi. At least kami palir ko ito na lang mo sa ESA. Kung wala na yun, tawag ko pirma, ma'am. Para wala mo kayo extra niya. Wala na pirma. But anyway, thank you very much. We're so grateful that you're here. I know you will have our problem and renal care in the city of Malaybalay. May bunta ka na doon.
Salamat kay Vice. Legacy kini sa city of Malaybalay. Private and public partnership. Okay. Before our closing remarks, kaya nyo ini mag-isa nga i-share pala itong program kay ba't na sa Baygong Cebu mo siguro. So allow me to introduce again our CEO of ISA Medical and Dialysis Center. She began her path in the pharmaceutical business at the age of 25. Driven by her dedication and purpose with 32 years of experience in the pharmaceutical industry. She has served countless communities and patients. Her passion and compassion lead her to give back money by establishing dialysis centers built on dignity, care, and heartfelt services. Ladies and gentlemen, the CEO of Isa Care Medical and Dialysis Center, Ms. Isa Adelio.
Let me read lang my message to make it shorter. Okay, our patients are maybe exempted to have the first treatment. And just to correct, we started building this mayor last March. It was finished after 3 months. We got delayed because of the permits. So now we are operating on a generator because Buseco is not yet finished, but I hope it will be finished soon. We have our own transformer because I don't want to operate without our own. Use my, sorry. So good day everyone, and welcome to the opening of Isa Care Medical and Dialysis Center here in Malaybalay City. This milestone represents more than the establishment of a new healthcare facility. It reflects my unwavering mission to bring quality, affordable, and compassionate medical services closer to the communities that need them most. This has been my greatest dreams, to serve my hometown, as I felt also that my late parents wanted me to give back here in Bukidnon. This journey of mine to this day would not have been possible without the strong support of the local government of Malaybalay City, led by our esteemed Honorable Mayor J. Warren Pamillaran. And I acknowledge also the help of our Vice Mayor. Mayor Warren's commitment to improving the health and well-being of the people of Malaybalay has been truly inspiring. His leadership and vision for a healthier community inspire institutions like ours to do more and serve better. My family and I, Mayor, are deeply grateful for the trust, partnership, and encouragement extended to us from the very beginning. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you once again for this opportunity. Isa Care is built on the belief that every patient deserves dignity, comfort, and excellence in care. With this new center, I wish to bring hope closer to the home, ensuring that families no longer live to travel far for vital medical and dialysis services. Today is a celebration of a shared vision and collective effort. As Isa Care opened our doors, we also open new opportunities for better health, greater comfort, and a renewed hope for the people of Malaybalay and the rest of Bukidnon. Thank you for celebrating this milestone with us, and we look forward to serving the community of Malaybalay with dedication and a heart. And I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a healthier 2026. God bless everyone.
Thank you very much, Ms. Isa Adelio. So our next part is pictorials para sa itong documentation. Tadabita ni bro. So our first picture will be Ms. Isa together with the mayor and the vice mayor.
Sanay na lang sa patient din.
Yan lang?
Background ng patient.
Background ng patient. Oo. Sige, sige.
One, two, three.
Again. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, please stay. We request the staff of Isa Care. Isa Care staff. With mayor and vice mayor.
Ikaw nang.
Ako saan?
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Napay isa.
Request ng others, staff, para sa background at likod.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, again. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, that concludes our opening program. Congratulations to Secretary Medical and Energy Center.
Kamu picture mo doon. Kamu doon. Dapat begini.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
Vice, uban Vice. Kamu tulo Vice. Sige. Let's man mo din. Pakai saya.
Okay, so gawin ikaw. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, apil ko. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Nurse, dari gini nurse.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay.
Guys, so tama na, proceed na mga. Ay, wala ko naka-announce. Saka kung hindi na ito market. Asa to atong mga patient? Nana? By the way, patients? Masa sila dahil? Pataas ni? Good morning mga minahal na mga pasyente. Wala kayo na ako na-announce, no? Kay, actually, kabalo ko na ang malay-malay, iba zero billing yun na ni Mayor, ano na siya instruction ako. But karon, honestly, akong staff, nangutana, unsa daw akong charge. No? So, wala dito ko kabalo, unsay akong charging pa. So, inali dito ko, makalimot na ako ba kung unsa akong charge. So, ako na lang din na akong staff na ilibre lang tanan karong pasyente. Okay? So, walay bayaran, zero billing coming from me. Okay? So, tanan. Thank you.
Zero billing. How to say?
Asas pa. We
invite everyone to share with our Kamayang Pika Pika. So